wanna know who's that girl? Yeah, yeah, come on, come on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we'll be making delicious peanut butter soup. So just stay tuned for the ingredients you need to make this at home. You'll first need any type of yellow onions that you have. It doesn't matter, red, white, just onions. You'll then need to have 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Now, I like my soup very peppery, but if you don't like pepper, you don't have to add the habaneros, but you will need red peppers and green peppers to taste. You're going to want to get 1 can of tomato paste and then 1 large can of crushed tomatoes also. Like I said before, I like my soup hot, like hot, like girl, that joint hot. So if you don't like it like that, that's fine. All you need is bay leaves and some like bouillon cubes. I don't know how to really pronounce it, but yeah, you need that. And then for the meat, you can just do like cubed beef or chicken, depending on what your preference is. I just did beef for this dish. Now for the fun part, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you chop up your green peppers and your red peppers real good. Like, I didn't have a blender, so I had to really get nitty gritty with that knife. Okay, me and that knife was best friends because I had to get in there and chop them peppers up because I didn't really have a blender to really like refine them. So keep chopping. It's gonna be tedious, but try to get it as small as possible. Okay, once you got your peppers and your green peppers all chopped up, put them to the side. And what you want to do is get your 3 cloves of garlic out. And it was hard to smash that little big like cluster of garlic. But once you get that open, just finely chop it up. Once you have your green peppers and your red peppers all chopped up, you can start on your onions. Just, do as you would. Just peel them, and then, like I said, make sure that they're finely chopped, like very small pieces of onion. And continue to do so until the whole onion is chopped. And you only want to use 1 onion. I only use 1 onion. So then what I did was I poured all the vegetables and the habanero peppers inside of a pot, and then I mixed it with some vegetable oil. And I just put that inside the pot and let it sit for like 10 minutes and like was stirring it occasionally. So I went in with some more habanero peppers, as you can see, and then I placed the bay leaves also on top with the West African pepper seasoning and other seasonings that I had, and I just mixed that up. And guys, why did I just notice that I didn't even tell you guys that you'll need peanut butter? And it's literally called peanut butter soup. Like, how did I miss the most important ingredient? I really like I don't know, but yes, you'll need peanut butter. Like, you guys are gonna need peanut butter. So I just put half of a can of peanut butter inside of the pot and just continue to mix. Sorry guys. Sorry. And as you can see, the color has definitely brightened. And this is how you know that it's done, it's ready to serve. So you can serve it with white or brown rice, depending on what you like, and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye.